ThePintasticGirls!
Hi, I'm Bethany.
I'm Abigail.
I'm Rose.
Hi.
And we're
ThePintasticGirls!
Well, we are so excited today because we are big fans of
Disney Doorables!
And their season number 2 has finally come out. If you're new to Disney Doorables, they're these little figurines that represent different Disney characters. And probably a few months ago, was it a few months ago? Yeah, maybe a little bit more than a few months ago. We did an unboxing on our channel of the season 1 when they first came out. So we've been waiting for the season 2s to come out, and I just found out that they did, and we are gonna do an unboxing.
I forgot about it.
So we are so excited, right? And here we go. Here's the season 2 box. It's a little bit different in color.
Here's some people.
I think the door was a blue, the blue color, wasn't it?
Yeah.
But now it's a green, and you could see here on the back the different characters. There's actually more characters than this, and a little package on the inside, so we'll take that out so we know what all the characters are. So girls, I want you to go on the back and say 2 that you would most like. Which one did you most like, Holly? You would like Flounder, and who else? Which one's Sven from Frozen, which you love the movie Frozen, right? Yeah, okay, how about you, Rose? What are your 2 top favorites that you want? Oh, the shark, Maui shark? That must be from Moana, right? Is that what it's from?
Yes.
And what's the second one that you want?
Second one? There.
She wants Judy Hopps. And what do you want, the top 2, Abigail, that you want?
I don't have any top 2.
You don't have any top 2? Do you like them all? Do you have a top 1? No? No, well, she wants them all. So, and also I wanted to share with you these little containers that we have. You can find at the craft store. They're usually for jewelry making, but we got them and we put our adorables inside. So we have these out, so when the girls have them open, they can put them right in their boxes. So this is a great idea for adorable storage. So these girls are each going to take turns, and first it is going to be Abigail! And in each box, you can get either 5, 6, or 7. So we're crossing our fingers and hoping that all these girls get the 7. Okay, so on to Abigail.
Hi. I'm gonna open my Disney Doorable box. We're gonna see how many I have inside. I feel like I'm horrible doing this.
It's always so hard to open up, right?
There we go. So I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Okay, show. 5 doors.
First, I'm gonna do this really big door.
Okay, let's see what's inside.
Ooh, I got 2 of them. I got a bonus. Oh, it's like a teeny tiny door. What is this thing? I want to do the teeny tiny door. It's so tiny. I got a little bonus. Okay, so the packages look like little candy, like gushers or something. Oh, I forgot these are hard to open. I got scissors. I got Elsa. Very sparkly. She's all covered in sparkles. Okay, so I'm gonna see if she's rare, super rare. She is ultra rare.
Wow.
So like there's whole collections of like characters you can get. So like there's some from The Lion King, Wreck-It Ralph, The Little Mermaid, Aladdin. And there's like some that's limited edition. So I'll open this one. I got, ooh, what's his name from Ariel?
Sebastian.
Sebastian, yes. And he's holding this stick. Let's open, let's see. This one looks like a little barnish sort of thing. So it seems like I got really a 6-pack. Okay, so here's this one. Let's see what's inside. My scissors got stuck in it. I got, whatever, not Tangle. Rapunzel. I always forget everybody's names. Okay, now I'm gonna open this one. It looks like a double door thing. It's really nice. And I got another thing. It'd be cool if I actually got another bonus. That would be cool. Oh, and it said on the package that every box comes with a little fluffy one. And who in the heck is this? Oh, that's Gaston's friend. That
no, what's his name?
LeFew. That's a really weird name. Oh, this is cool. The window's open.
Oh, that's neat.
Okay, so I have this door, like a regular door. I like it that they come in like little houses, that it's like a big house, a big door. I got, Wreck-It Ralph.
Oh, yay!
This is the last box. And this one's like a regular house with a giant door. Could you imagine having a giant door in your house? So this one should be a fluffy one. Yep, it is. It's a, this is The Lion King, Simba, any special edition. It's so soft, it's like a real tiger. Okay, so the next one is Rose. Hi, I'm gonna open my Disney Doorable too. Now I'm gonna see what's inside. I love Disney Doorable. How are you so good at it? I get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I get 5. Again. Disney Doorables again.
But there might be a mystery.
Okay, first I'm gonna open the bag. This bag. Of course I need scissors for this. This is a big bag. Just for a little thing. I got a fluffy one. The guy from Lion King. It's Simba's dad. Now I'm gonna open this one. This looks like a weird house. I got Rapunzel. Rapunzel, all down your hair. Okay, sorry. Oh, what's this thing? Oh yeah, I'll just open it. Now, open this one. What's this? This one has a lever door. I get this. Oh, the pig from Anna holding it's Pua.
From Moana.
Now I'm gonna open this door, a big giant door again. I get this guy. Smee.
Mr. Smee from what?
Wait,
From
Peter Pan. Now I have one more. It sounds weird. It's this one, this weird door. I'll close my eyes. You can little peek. Who is this? Oh, the lizard from... It's Pascal.
From Rapunzel.
Now they are together. Next is Holly's next. I love the Doorables. I love Paw Patrol. Okay, see, that's just, we don't know. Here, how about I get it started for you? Here you go. You get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5. You got 5. We all got 5.
But she might have a surprise.
No, I didn't. I got 6. Oh, we just. Here you go. Take that out. Okay, I'll open it for you. Not open it. There you go. I wonder what Holly's gonna get. Holly. You got. Who in that guy's from Pinocchio. This is Tweedledum from Alice in Wonderland. Yeah. Okay. Open this. You get. Oh, you got the same as me. You got another double. It's a limited edition, and it's Simba. Okay, open the next one, Holly. Oh, this is us. The real Okay, let me open this. You get, what did you get? What you get? You got, another double!
Yeah.
The guy
For you. That's for you.
Okay, open it again. Hope we don't get another double. Hope we all don't get Rapunzel. Nope. You get. Oh, you got Anna. Wait, is that Anna? I think that is. Yep, it is. Yeah. Yeah. Oh, that's the
From Frozen.
It's Frozen Anna. No, it's not. Never mind. That's just Anna. One more. I wonder what it is, Holly. Who's on the scissors?
Oh, where'd it go?
Oh, it's the mermaid.
Let her get this.
Oh, it's
Give it to her.
it's what's her name? Ariel.
You got Ariel. Let's see. It's sparkly. Okay.
Okay, so next is nobody.
So everybody, I hope you enjoyed this unboxing today. And if you want to get your own, we'll link some in our Amazon Associates account down below. That's where we bought ours. We bought ours on Amazon. I'm not sure if you can find them in the stores yet, but we bought them. We've seen them at Target and Walmart in the past. So girls, everyone tell me what their favorite was. So what was your favorite, Rose?
My favorite was
Mufasa, is that his name? Simba's dad. And what was your favorite, Holly? Oh, Simba. And what's your favorite, Abigail?
I don't have one.
You don't have a favorite? Oh, Wreck-It Ralph. You don't like that one
I
best?
like all of them.
She likes all of them, so she doesn't have a favorite. So if you like this video, if you could please give it a thumbs up. Please subscribe and please hit that bell. Ding! And that will notify you whenever we upload a new video. You could also find us on Instagram, Twitter, Pinterest, and our Facebook group, The Pintastic Friends. And that is all linked down below. So we hope that you all have a very adorable day. And bye, everybody.
Bye.